Hi folks, today I want to show you something. You see that right there? 2x4, nice wood, and then you got these holes in it. Anybody know what they are? I do. They're called Carpenter Bees. That's what they do. They chew the wood and then they make damage to that wood, like what you see there, and those holes and all that, and ultimately it hurts the structure. So I'm going to show you what I did today. It took me about 5 minutes, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you guys how to do it, even though there's other videos out there to show how to do that. I'm not kidding, it took me literally 5 minutes. First thing I'm going to do is I've got my drill and drill bits. You'll need a 1/2 inch spade bit and then a 1 inch spade bit, and of course a drill, a bottle, keep the cap, and then here's the wood. So far I don't have any expense in this at all. Here we go. Right there. That's how long I'm going to make them. Don't even know the dimension. That's the beauty of this. You don't have to get fancy with it. Okay, here's the piece of wood. Kind of old and nasty and rotted and all that good stuff. Okay, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to put my hole, 1 inch hole, right in the center. Here we go. We're down about where my thumb is. I think I'm going to go a little further. Okay. So next thing, 1/2 inch drill bit. And then what we want to do is, we're down about where my thumb is. We're going to take the drill bit and we're going to go like this on about a 45, all 4 sides, and there will be 4 entrances into this thing. Okay. Shoot for the middle. And then I'm going to go in another time with this. Clean it out. The next step, we need to get our bottle cap in there. And the beauty of this is, watch. It's like the perfect size. So I'm going to carefully push it in there. And the cap is inside. Notice the edge. There's a little bit of a wood edge all the way around. I'm going to take the 1/2 inch bit and carefully drill it. Remember, it's just plastic. That's it. It's not a pretty hole, but it's going to work just fine. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you. Take this off, and then when you go to screw the lid on, since the lid is in there deeper, the shoulder doesn't hit quite as early. And so this is how it works. There it is. And it's like you can't be real gentle with these bottles. Lid off. So take the label off, and so we can see all our bees. So that's it. And then we'll put a little staple in there to hang it. That's it.